Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll do a short update review of my aftermarket exhaust, and at the end of the video I'll attach some riding footage with the engine sound. So let's go. All right, so the pipes, they're turning a nice pinkish purplish color very evenly. Doesn't seem like there are any major leaks anywhere. There might be slight leaks maybe in this rivet area, but nothing major. Now if you look at the muffler, this used to be carbon fiber and it turned black after like only a few rides. So the carbon fiber is probably just a sticker and it got too hot, so it just burned. So I complained to the seller, and the seller actually sent me a whole brand new muffler, all metal one. I'll use this, whenever. For now, I'll just keep this on there. And then, so if you're purchasing this, just remember, if you're gonna get it, just get carbon fiber here and then metal here, or all metal or all black. So the black is painted, so they'll probably last longer than the carbon fiber, which is just sticker, I think. Right here, turn a little bit lighter, reddish maybe, but I think this will be okay for a while. So, just remember that when you buy this exhaust. I also have the install video on my channel if you want to check that out. Now, after the install, if you see this wire right here, this is for the O2 sensor. This will be twisted no matter what you do. So the wire, that's the O2 sensor on the exhaust, comes here, then comes up through here, and then connects somewhere around here. So what I did was I removed this panel. You just undo these two. This one, the top one, is going to be longer. Just remember that. So you take this off, and there's like a black plastic tube kind of thing. The connection's inside, so you don't remove the tube. You just stick like a flathead inside, and then you press the tab up, I believe, and then you just take out the unconnected. And then you see this thing? That's like a cable management thing. This is flexible. There's another one right here. So you unflex it to take out the wire, untwist it, then put it back the way it was. Then you put this back on both of them, this one and the one in here. You put it back and you just connect the O2 sensor back in. And then while this is off, there's going to be a lot of like leftover grease and stuff from the chain. Just clean that up. That's what I did. And also, now if you look right here, see where the pipes are? It's really close to the fairing. Not the actual fairing, but like there's this black piece on the inside of the fairing. It's really close to it. Now, one of the viewers commented that they had the same exhaust, but theirs were actually touching, so they had to cut like a small piece off of this black piece on the inside to get it to fit. Now, this is like I don't know if this is like stamped by a machine, but they're definitely welded by hand. So there's going to be slight fitment differences between each one. But mine wasn't touching, but it was really close to that inside black part of the fairing. So what I did was I purchased this heat shield on Amazon, which has a sticky back, and I cut some pieces and put it right there, just in case. And on the other side, I don't know if you can see. Can you see this? Yeah, I cut it like a small piece and put it here because that's also close to the exhaust on the other side. That's about it. As far as the exhaust goes, I love it so far. No performance issues at all. I'm sure if you connect it to a dyno or a computer, it will have some performance differences, but a regular person in normal riding conditions, I don't think they're gonna notice anything different. I get the same gas mileage. I believe I get the same acceleration. I am getting maybe a mile or two higher top speed, but that could be just the day that I was riding. It also could be like this exhaust is like 10 or 12 pounds lighter than the stock exhaust. So those could be factors, but in normal riding conditions, I don't think I'm seeing any major differences. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. I have some riding footage coming up now.